My name's Daniel Harry. I studied at Cardiff Met Uni and I done business management and finance degree, and then I stayed on at the same uni and I studied international business management as a master's. I was attracted to working for RCT Council because I wanted to work for an organisation where I could see the benefits of the work I was doing and help improve experience of my friends and family and other RCT residents. The other main reason was the positive word of mouth about the graduate schemes in general, and it does live up to its expectations. So like flexible working, loads of career progression and training opportunities, and lovely teammates. The key highlights for me has been doing a project management level 4 course. So I'm still learning and gaining qualifications whilst working. In uni, all my work was academic, so by doing this course, I'm learning how to put things into real-life practice and with a real-life case study. Another key highlight has probably been working on my confidence. I've grown quite a lot in my confidence where I'm meeting a lot of people and attending different meetings all the time. My managers have supported me in anything I was unsure of, so she's always open for me to approach her and ask questions on something I'm unsure of. And she knows sometimes I don't feel comfortable speaking in front of a big group of people, so she's helped work on my confidence, such as starting me off presenting in just a team meeting, and when I come comfortable in that, just doing small updates in regional meetings with people I'm not so familiar with, and obviously then I become comfortable with that, and over time I am more confident now when presenting and speaking in new meetings. So I went to a Welsh primary and comp school. I left school about 8 years ago now, so over time I have forgotten a lot of my Welsh language. Working for RCT Council has offered me the opportunity to attend some refresher classes to help work on my Welsh language skills and become fluent again. So I started my role as a graduate support officer, and throughout my 2 years as a graduate role, I've completed a project management level 4 course, and I've also worked alongside 3 other colleagues who I've supported and is helping me take the next step in my career, which will be a project manager. So my advice would be, when you're applying, really think about your answers, don't rush the application because the competition is huge, and if you feel like your degree fits a couple of the job roles, then apply for them all if you've got the skills. I applied for 5 and I came like second in quite a few, and I was quite close to giving up, but I applied for one last one and I did get the job in the end. And another key advice I'd probably give is to always ask for feedback from your last interview, because then you can use that feedback for your next one, which probably is the reason that I got the last one, because I've worked off all my feedback.